Yeah, I killed one. There's one dead out here.
I killed him. I shot him through the wall. Right over here, you just opened this door. There's more. I'm dead, I couldn't. God damn it. Damn it. God damn it. Damn it.
Yo! Yo! Hey!
Did you touch my grass?
I'm trying to fucking sleep over here!
Yeah, what the hell? I'm trying to read my book.
Somebody.
It was a psycho.
Ow.
It
This
was
guy's a bad
psycho.
scav right here. This guy's a bad
Which one?
scav.
Who's the bad one?
Yes, I am.
Oh,
Yes, I
Got
am.
the blue armor.
Oh no!
oh my god.
Hey, let's go hunt some PMCs.
Oh, you shut the fuck up.
Hey! Say that to me again. Say that to me again.
How about you?
You're loading in.
Yeah.
He's still alive. Yes, 5-5. He's dead. It took all that.
Who's running? Someone inside of here. I'm dead. He's in Tarkov with you. He's at the counters.
Okay. You killing it?
He's dead now. Yeah, I didn't.
46,000.
1,000?
Stop it.
It's about to begin.
Dude.
Oh shit.
I'm at the side.
Whoa! Why can't shoot? I got a malfunction. He's on the second story.
Oh, I'm malfunctioning. I'm malfunctioning too. I'm malfunctioning again.
Dude, Roger's pushing us.
Dead.
You're dead? Are you 5 bandit?
No, I'm outside. I'm in the balcony. I'm fine. Where are you?
Or is he on? I'm third.
I'm peeking.
My gun! Oh!
Come upstairs. My gun jammed too.
My gun keeps jamming. I keep doing things.